पीछे ले
पीछे ले जाओ क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग
क्या
शुरू हो
करना
गई।
है?
खड़े
करना
रहो,
क्या?
सिर्फ खड़े रहो, देखते रहो, मैं बोलती जाऊंगी, रिकॉर्डिंग होती रहना चाहिए।
सारी चीज़ें।
Hi, this is Shivani Durga and I am in Varanasi, Kashi or Banaras, and I'm performing a small ritual here with my friend Jyoti Achari, and we are actually enjoying the atmosphere, serenity and the divinity of this place. I always wanted to come and do a ritual in the boat. This is a boat, and in this boat only we are doing this ritual. This is a ritual especially for women, and this can be performed to keep their husbands loyal to them. So what you need is 21 candles or 21 diyas made of clarified butter, ghee, flowers, white rum. You can use sweets, offering, whatever available in your area, you can use that. Silver coins, 3. You have to make a circle. You have to take 21 candles and make a circle of 20 candles, and the central candle would be the 21st, and that would be representing your husband or the lover or the loved one. Okay? So you have to pray. It's a very simple ritual, but it is a very powerful ritual. I'm doing it in a very simple way because I cannot perform it here like in an elaborate way, and I cannot show the whole process to you. Okay? So in a simple way, if you cast this ritual, you will definitely have the help of the divine. Central candle represents your husband or the loved one. Okay? Light the central candle first, or the diya first, and then ask for the help from Almighty, whomever you believe. Then light all other candles in a clockwise manner. Central diya should be, because we are in Varanasi and we have Ganges here, the holy river Ganges. So this is the tradition and the custom that we should be offering these diya after lighting to Ma Ganga. So she has done that already, and now she will be offering all these diya one by one. Okay, so central candle or the diya is the main thing for you. Light that and then light all other candles or diyas clockwise. Pray to your Almighty. Then first immerse that candle or diya in the river if you are nearby, if you have any river or pond in your city. Otherwise, you have to let it burn completely. Okay? We have the facility here. We have Ma Ganges. I have come all the way. We both have come all the way from Mumbai to Varanasi to attend Ganga Mahotsava. My Guru, Sri Baba Nagnath Yogeshwara, Peethadishwar Manikarnika Ghat in Varanasi is conducting this Mahayagna tomorrow on 17th of November 2013. It's Kartik Purnima, Kartik Mahotsav, or the Kartik festival, what you can call it, the last day of Kartik month. So we have come for that, so I thought of doing this particular thing here with Jyoti. So how are you feeling, Jyoti?
Pretty holy and pure.
Pretty holy and pure. Because Ganges purifies. Alright? So this is you have to do, and when you are removing these diyas or the candles, it should be in an anti-clockwise manner. Right? So we will start from here and we'll go this way. After doing this, you have to keep the offerings at the crossroads or a cemetery. 3 silver coins, the rum and some sweets. It could be honey, it could be some sweet dish, anything it could be. And then After 15 days, again, you have to leave the offerings at the crossroads as a thanksgiving. So I really want you to immerse these diyas. I'll help her out. This is the holy experience. I have my broken rib actually. I have come here with the broken rib. So it's a bit difficult for me to bend. But I know. Okay. Done. Har Har Gange. Har Har Mahadev.
हर हर महादेव।
Shiv Shambho. Bole. ज्योति दीदी का भी ले लेना। मैं उसको ज्योति दीदी का भी ले लेना से। This. This. So you must be seeing how holy and divine experience it is. So calm, serene, peaceful. Yes.
You said it together.
Yes. So, and very helpful and powerful because you are in the place of God. This is Kashi, the place of Lord Shiva, where he resides, even now. And you take a dip in the holy river. You put the Shamshan Bhasm, which is called Tripunda. And when you immerse these diyas in the holy river Ganges, you have attained moksha while living. It's not that you will be attaining that moksha after life. It can be attained now also. So this experience is, see, few things you cannot explain even in words. You cannot express. For that you need to come personally to India, Varanasi, and do it yourself. Okay? So you can perform, this is especially for the women, and you can perform this ritual and say thanks to Ganges, say thanks to Lord Shiva, who's a family god, to Durga and Kali, and say Bam Bam Bhole!
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव।
Shiv Shambho! Okay, so perform this ritual and give me the feedback. All the best. Today I won't say bye, I would say Namaste and Har Har Mahadev.
अरे
It's over.
क्या बात है?
ये ले लो, ऐसे ले लो, इसको यहाँ से
एक बार ले देख ली।